Hi everyone, welcome back to Radhes world. In this video, we are going to make homemade eggless peanut butter cookies. So recently, I've been only wanting to eat peanut butter cookies, and so I asked my uncle to make some, and here is the recipe. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss any of my new uploads. Let's get started. Here's a list of all the ingredients you will need to make your peanut butter cookies. Once you're done, add all your ingredients to the mixer, everything except your flour and choc chip cookies. If you feel this video is a bit too fast for you or you're getting confused, don't worry, there's a detailed description in the description box below, so you don't have to worry. Now we are moving on to mixing. Mix the ingredients for about 5 to 7 minutes. Halfway through, stop your mixer and just scrape the bowl to see if the butter is all mixed together. If it isn't, continue mixing it. Once you're satisfied that the mixture is okay, we can now move on to the next step, which is sifting our flour into the mixing bowl. Once you're done sifting your flour, you can now put your bowl back into the mixer and start mixing the mixture. Stop halfway to check if the mixture is mixed properly and if there isn't any streaks of peanut butter. If there is, continue mixing until light and fluffy. Now we are moving on to the best part, which is adding our choc chip cookies. Start adding your choc chip cookies into the dough and folding it in. Isn't it going to be so yummy to have this with a nice cup of milk and reading a good book? This is to die for. Now it is time to shape up. Take a spoon to form 18 balls of dough and place it onto the parchment paper. Once you're done getting your 18 balls, you can now shake them up to make it nice and even. And now we're moving on to the crisscross technique. For this step, you will need a fork to do this. Place it onto the dough and then do it the other side. This is called the crisscross technique. When we did this first one, we thought that it was a bit difficult to do it, so we decided to use some flour. Now it is much more easier. Once you're done doing the crisscross for all the cookies, you can now put it in the oven. By now your oven should be ready for the cookies to get baked. And you just made yourself a lovely batch of peanut butter cookies. Look at how thick and yummy it looks. And oh, the choc chip cookies. This is gonna be so good. Remember, if you liked this video and thought it was very helpful, please make sure to subscribe. Bye!